merong ganap. So, gaano kayo katagal na nag-ano? Gaano katagal? Kasi, ba? Ginalingan mo ba? 2 weeks magkasama. So, in the span of 2 weeks, magkasama kayo every time. And then, taga-US ba yan? Once na nung umalis siya, what did he say? Na ano, more than friends kayo? After lahat ng ginawa mo, more than friends lang. Iba, ikaw na mag-decide. Maanghang na question. Maanghang na question pa dito. Maanghang na question. Diba? Ikaw na mag-decide, di ba? Hindi ba siya, ano? Kasi, kuminsan, ano mo na yan eh. Ewan ko lang nga, kasi syempre, kaming mga Pinay na may mga, ano na, affam na gano'n. Kuminsan may mga nakaka-message ako, nakakausap ko sa video call. Yung may mga common factor na ginagawa yung partner mo o ginawa nung first meet, na malalaman mo na talaga na ano eh, parang, ito na talaga to, wala nang ayawan to. Yung, alam mo yun, yung parang sure ka na talagang ano, na ano mo na, nasungkit mo na yung gold. Like, you know, I was like telling them that, at times after first meet, you would know if that person is really for you, right? Did you feel that with me? If only they could like see yung mukha ng asawa ko, kala mo, ano eh. Kala mo, nag-iinit eh. Asawa kong ano. Diba? Kasi dapat ano yan eh, kung 2 weeks. Maramdaman mo yan eh, kung talagang nanggigil ba sa'yo eh. Kaya lang kung minsan, baka naman meron siyang commitment issue. Ang tanong kasi dyan, sure ka ba na malaya yung iyong foreigner? Because there's a lot of those foreigners right? That apparently they went to like visit in the Philippines. They have like their girlfriends there, but they're still married back where they came from, right? Nasaan na to? Sa mga ganun 2 weeks, nasaan na? Sis, pahingi advice. Ask ka lang dyan. Wala namang bayad tanong, i-ask ka lang dyan.